So don't pay anybody for SEO and don't pay anybody to manage your website either. There is nothing to manage. Once you build a website with SEO, there is nothing to do. There is nothing to do. There is no management fee. Don't manage. What are you managing? It's built. It's just, and it's running all the time. Think of a website as an employee that you pay a monthly fee to convert website visitors into clients. That's all it does. Now, if you change something on your website, you want to contact your Inspector Website Builder and they'll do an edit for you free, but there's nothing to manage. Don't pay for SEO. Don't pay for management. Don't pay anything more than $300 unless it's a special deal from Inspector Website Builder. They got the $5.99 and $8.99 or whatever, but start off with $2.99. If you're paying more than $2.99 for a website, well, compare the benefits. Go right down the line. I would say go to the homepage of each company and compare line by line what you get for your money.